today's video ay magkakaroon tayo ng makeover! So guys, magkakaroon tayo dito ng hairstyle, makeup, and dressing. So ano ba ang hinihintay nyo? Let's go!
So guys, ako mauna.
So guys, next na ako.
So makeup naman tayo guys.
So guys, it's time to make up. It's my turn. So guys, this is the final look.
Just one touch, I could just one touch, I could feel my body giving in. Just one touch, just one touch, I could feel just one touch, I could
So guys, this is the final look. So guys, nagbago pala kami ng buhok. Ayan, lalo na siya, guys. Ayan, lalo na siya. And then yung makeup. So hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to more updates.